Alright, so this is my room, and it's not that big. I mean, it's, it doesn't have to be that big. I'm just over here to work, focus on work. Here's the front door to my room. There's the DVD player, my TV, my bed. This is my window. Not bad. Alright, so, yeah. Here's the bathroom, by the way. It's kind of weird, like it's a step up. Open it. Here it is. The shower. There's the toilet. This is it, man. So yeah. Alright, so this is the hallway. Alright, so this is the lunchroom. Getting something to eat. What's up, man?
What's up?
From Louisiana. So it's pretty cool. Alright. Just got done eating. So I'm gonna head over to the rec hall. Here you go. I'm trying to keep my recording on the down low because I don't want like too many people to flip out, me recording and stuff. Ooh, poker table. ATM machine so you can bring out some cash. Nice. Pool table. Table tennis. Or ping pong. Oh, this is cool. Got a little punching bag thingy. Foosball. Cool. You got darts. Another foosball table. Internet cafe. Guys that are checking their emails in there, so don't want to bother them. The gym. There it is. Here's where I'm going to be doing most of my workouts. Got a fridge. Got a sauna. Nice. Alright, man, this is it.
So when they need some help getting around, don't settle for less than the best. Get on Cosequin.
Lots of brands compare themselves to Cosequin, but they're not.
Cosequin is Cosequin, supporting pestilent health.
Oh, here's the washer and laundry room. Do your laundry. Not bad. Back to this room. And there you have it. That was a little quick tour of where I'm gonna be staying at for the next 2/3 of my life. Alright, y'all, peace.